Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In our video today I will be showing you how to blend color 1 and color 27. As I have done with this. So I'm using color 1 and a little bit of color 27, as you can see, and it's bringing out a very beautiful pattern. And then towards the end I'm adding color 27, as you can see, and then I have others with color 1 and color 900. So let me show you how I did that. And I will use color 1 and 27. We are starting just like the normal braid with 3 strands, and then we start dividing so that we will get the 5 strands. So we add, and this is the one that we added. So we divide our strand again and twist. Like that. So at this point now I will add this thin strand of color 27. And then I will continue adding the color 1. So now, since we have achieved our desired size, I will now just keep twisting all the way to the part where I will start adding color 27 to achieve this. And as you can see, a very beautiful pattern is coming out. You can see that there's a few patches of color 27 and there's more of color 1. So guys, that is how that pattern is achieved. So let's see what we will have at the end.